everybody, and welcome back to my channel. As always, I am Finical Faye, and today we are here with a little haul. Money-wise, not so little. First off, let's get into the DVDs. I found these at thrift stores. First of all, I got Transformers. I remember watching Bumblebee, but I haven't actually seen Transformers, so happy to bring that home. Wall-E. Surprised I didn't have it yet, but I really wanted to get it. AI, artificial intelligence, is something that some people I know have seen and they didn't like it. I'm curious, so Wonder Woman. I saw this in theaters and it was half off, so I got it for $3. Oh, dang it. Deadpool, which was also half off. It is missing one of its discs, but I think with either disc you can watch the movie. Don't judge me, but I decided to get Twilight because I'm curious about what had everybody so captivated. And they had almost all of the Twilight movies. Twilight New Moon, which was half off. Twilight Breaking Dawn Part 2, which means I only need to find Twilight Breaking Dawn Part 1. Then I found this cute little Fancy Nancy book. Fancy Nancy was one of my favorites when I was a child, so when I saw a big fall storybook collection for $3, I decided to jump at the opportunity. Getting into things I found at an antique store. Well, not really an antique store. It was more secondhand Legos. I found more fairy tale birds. And I decided to get all of the ones that they had available. Which was one more than I thought there was. So, this one has ballet slippers. She doesn't have any, imperfections like the first one I got did. So she just needs to get brushed and maybe boiled. This one costs a little bit more because she's a fluffy one. She has fur on her chest. Also doesn't have any of the eye smear that the other one had. Last one. She's got a little heart on her chest. They all need some TLC, but I am more than happy to provide it. Lastly, let's unbox Kane from the Amazing Digital Circus. Ooh, they have the moon and the sun on the little fold-out panels. I'm going to save all of this for collaging. Ooh, shiny collector card. Kane. Everyone's favorite ringleader. May not be everyone's favorite ringleader. Charisma 50, empathy 0, ability to hold a train of thought 2. Me too, Kane. Me too. And this is recyclable. Feels a bit light. Does it stand on its own? Yes, it stands on its own. It feels like the top is hollow, but the paint job is not bad at all. All right, with that, let's get into the eco bricking. I'm going to use these to crochet. So, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.